Hello guys, today we'll be solving a quadratic equation. So the equation is f of x is equal to negative 10 x squared minus 9x plus 1. So I know this might look a bit hard in the beginning, but it will get easier as we progress. So x intercepts in a quadratic equation 2 times, so there are 2 roots, and to find this you can switch the f of x to a 0. So you can call it 0 is equal to negative 10 x squared minus 9x plus 1. And in our formula that we're going to use, negative 10 will be a, negative 9 will be b, and 1 will be c. So let me just quickly write that down. Negative 10 will be a, negative 9 will be b, and plus 1 will be c. Okay, so the formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared, sorry, this should be capital, minus 4ac. And in this whole thing, you have to divide by 2a. So it should look like this. And now all we have to do is substitute these values down here. So we can start this off again with x is equal to negative, and we saw that b was negative 9x, so it will just be plus 9, and then you have to add the plus or minus sign in front, plus or minus square root of 9 to the power of 2, which is 81, minus 4 times negative 10, since negative 10 is a, times 1, because that's c, times 1. And it's also important to add the brackets in this equation. So here will be the brackets, and then divide this by 2a, so 2 times a, which is negative 10. And now all we have to do is solve this. So we do x is equal to 9 plus or minus, so square root 81 minus 4 times minus 10 times 1. So minus 4 times minus 10 is minus 40. And hold on a second. I think we've done something wrong. No, it's fine. So negative 4 times negative 10 is 40. So you just add 81 plus 40, which is 121. 121 times 1, which is still 121. And if you later on see this, this will be the same as, let me cross this out, square root 121 is actually 11, so it will be x is equal to 9 plus or minus 11 divided by 2 times negative 10, which is 20. Negative 20. So there are two answers for this question. So let me get my arrow back up here. If you do x is equal to 9 plus 11, that will be 20. So x could be equal to 20 over negative 20, which is the same as negative 1, or x could be equal to 9 minus 11, which is negative 2 over negative 20, which is just 1/10. And if you actually look at our graph, these 2 points will be the points that x will intercept, negative 1 and 1/10. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.